Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bethany and today I am going to be sharing with you my luxury wish list. So I have 3 bags and 2 small leather goods right now. 3 from Louis Vuitton, 1 from Marc Jacobs, and 1 from Polen. So if you want to know what they are, keep on watching. Alright, I'm going to start with the small leather goods. I have 2 of them. Both of them are from Louis Vuitton. Shocker, I know, but the first one is the Rosalie coin purse, and this is what it looks like. This is the Damier Ben print, and then they also have the classic monogram print. So I think I would want to get it in the Damier Ben print, this one. I just think it's so cute, and then the rose ballerine inside, it's the pink. And then the other small leather good, I'm also kind of going back and forth between these ones because you'll see, but this one you can use as a wallet. So I could get like kind of 2 for 1. But this is the Louis Vuitton small ring agenda cover. So it looks like that, and it's just like, it's an agenda. So you can put, you can buy them, like Etsy has a ton of different like cute ones on their site, and you can just get like the refills for it. And you can make it look really cute. I've seen a lot of people do that, but they also have little card slots over here. And then there's like another pocket under the card slot. So I just think that it'd be really functional, really cute. I could even just use it as like a notebook. And it's decently small. I've watched a lot of videos on it. But yeah, I'm kind of going between the 2 right now on if I want to get one of those, because I feel like I want a small wallet for my Polen bag, but I have a lot of bigger bags. So I could just keep doing what I'm doing with the Polen and just taking my little key. I could take my little card case and put it in there with my keys and everything like I've been doing. So yeah, I was like searching all night, not all night, but I was searching a lot last night on converting the small ring agenda to a wallet / agenda or a notebook. So yeah, I'm excited. I don't know which one I want. So if you watch my Polen numero un video, you would know what bag I am looking at. And it is the same style, just in black. I just think it is so cute, so classy. It's small, but it still fits like a good amount. And it's on the lower end of, it's actually the cheapest out of all of the things that I'm looking at right now. So I don't know, that maybe that'll be what I end up getting, but I kind of think that I want to get a wallet first. I think so. And then one of the 3 bags. And the next bag that I am looking at is the Marc Jacobs, the mini tote bag in argan oil. It is just so cute. I hadn't ever seen this bag in real life. I've seen the cloth ones, and I have a cloth one, the small size, which I'm thinking about selling because I just don't use it and I feel like it's just sitting there. So I'm thinking about selling that one because I don't really travel. I have a Longchamp giant tote that I can use for traveling, and then I also have like my other bags and suitcases. So I don't know, it's just like a weird size for me personally. So I want to get the mini one in the leather because I just feel like it's a little more luxe, and you can wear it with more. So I saw this the other day. I was shopping with my husband like last week when we were going to get Christmas gifts for the girls, and this girl walked in the store and I was like, Reese, that's the bag I want. And so I was like, isn't it so cute? The only thing with this bag that I'm kind of hesitant about is I looked up the dimensions and it's very similar in size to my Speedy 25. So I'm just not sure if it's a smart move. Not smart, but like there's other things that I want. So I don't know if I should, you know, spend my money on that or just keep saving and getting something else I want. So I'm going back and forth, but if you watch Amber Ashley on YouTube, she has two now, and she's the one who like really got me on this wanting it. But she just got another color too. So I'm like, now I feel like I need the bag. I feel like it's a staple. It's on the cheaper side. Like it's still expensive. It's $375, but it's more affordable than the last bag that I'm going to be showing you, that which is like $1,800. So, you know, it's kind of like, I don't need another Louis bag, but I want one. And I don't know. I just feel like you could fit a lot in this bag, but then I don't also carry a lot with me. I don't know. I have mixed emotions about it because I love how big the opening is on that bag. The zipper, like it opens all the way, unlike the Speedy, it's just kind of tight. And I feel like, you know, it was raining all day today, so I didn't take the Speedy out because I don't want it to get ruined with the Vachetta. So I ended up taking my Neon away with the black just to be safe. So I don't know. I feel like the argan oil too is like fall, winter, and spring. You could probably wear it in summer too, but I feel like you can get away with wearing it all three of those seasons. So that's, I don't know. I feel like out of everything so far, like that's the one I want, but I just don't know if it's too big for one, and for two, if it's too like similar in style to like the Speedy. It's not the same at all, but it's about the same size. So I don't know. I'm like going back and forth. What I probably will buy is one of the Louis small leather goods first, and then kind of save up again and buy something else. Just so you're aware. So I'm sure there will be an unboxing soon, but it's just, I'm so indecisive and I don't want to make like the wrong decision on such a big purchase, you know, like a $400, $450 small leather good or even bag. Like it's a decent amount of money to just be careless with, I guess. So I don't want to just pick one. I want to be really excited for it. So that's where I'm at. Okay, and then the last one. So I remember when my husband was like kind of asking me like, hey, what bags would you want from Louis if I got you one or whatever? And I remember looking at this bag and being like, I don't like it. I don't want it. But I think the older I get, the more I realize classics are kind of a vibe. They're never going to go out of style. So even if you spend your money on it, you're going to have it forever. So it's worth it. The only one that I really, I mean, it's not a classic, but the only one that I probably will never get is the Neverfull. And I said that in my Neon Away bag video, I think. It's too much for me. But anyways, the bag I'm talking about is the Alma BB in Damier Ebene. It's just so cute. It's so cute. And I started like looking on Instagram, like on the hashtag page, like Alma BB, to like see pictures and stuff. It's so cute. It's so cute. Like you can dress it up, you can dress it down. You can use the strap. You don't have to use the strap. I'm sure you could even get a different strap for it for more casual looks. It is so cute. So I'm kind of like, do I keep saving up for that? Or do I kind of, you know, get a different thing, get a different bag, or, you know, something like that. So yeah, I just can't decide. I also don't know if I ended up going with the Agenda, the small Agenda, if that would even fit in that bag. So I would have to do more research on that because it would end up being my wallet. So I would need to figure that out. I know it'll fit in the Speedy bag, it'll fit in the Neon Away, it'll fit in If I got the Marc Jacobs bag, it'll fit in that. It won't fit in the Poline bag, but whatever. That's not a big deal. So, all right, and that is it for my wish list video. If you have something on your wish list, put it down below. I want to know what you guys are looking at right now and interested in. And that will be all for me today. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!